Good morning, traders. It's Erica at Alpha E Trades. It's about 11:07 a.m. Eastern time here. Quick update on price action here. Given the events that have happened, certainly market dynamics have been choppy, lots of risk, two-edged sword, a lot of money to be made, but again, risk has been an issue. Let's do a quick top-down analysis here, traders. So NQ, take a look at NQ here. Alrighty here, weekly chart. So this is a weekly chart here, traders. Friday, if this closes below our trigger, we target one down here at 306.50. However, take note here how we are stalling at, we've got 76 extension. To the left-hand side, we have previous support as well here. Okay, so this is what we've got shaken on a weekly chart for NQ. So we have to see on Friday if those close to confirm. ES weekly chart. Alrighty here, ES weekly chart. Okay, same scenario here. We had fresh sellers at 42.12, which were triggered. However, though, Friday needs to close to truly confirm this here. Okay, so we have target one down here, traders, at 39.90. Now remember, traders, this is the weekly chart. Every candle represents 1 day here. Okay, so just because it's confirmed doesn't mean price action is going to fall. This can rally. This can rally a few hundred points, retrace. It can actually even retrace, make another lower high up here, and then continue to drop down. So technically this would be a 3-leg correction. So we've got leg 1, leg 2, could retrace, make a lower high, and then finish into corrective pattern T1 to leg 3 here. Okay, lots of risk here because these legs are so long. But this is what we have from a weekly perspective here. So Friday will be key to see how we truly close, if they're even confirmed. Okay. So very important to know your time frames, because just because you have a daily or weekly pattern that points to the downside doesn't mean that we can't correct, 100 points, so forth, to the upside using 5 and 15-minute charts, kind of like what we're seeing currently on my 5-minute charts here. We're doing simple reversals here, and so far so good here. A lot of choppiness though, a lot of risk. Market has certainly kept us on our toes here. So daily chart, let's take a look. So we had target 1, target 2 met. We do have target 3 down here at 40.16. So again, long legs. The leg is starting from here all the way down. We could see push back up into the seller's breach, continuing back down for a 3-legged pattern here. Okay, so again, know your time frames. That is a daily chart on ES. Okay, NQ daily chart. Let's take a look here. Looks like target 1 was met on our 5-minute chart here, 41.86 so far. Okay, with the long legs, usually we'll hit all 3 targets. So it's just a matter of your risk. A lot of our traders will take profit at target 1 because of the risk, and so forth here. Okay, it depends on your risk and your trading style, so to speak. All right, NQ, a little bit different scenario here, as we have T3 already met. Okay, so notice here we're starting to reverse here. It is possible we can see retest back into our trigger here at 43.25. All right, here. Okay, now cranking the microscope down here, traders, let's go to the 4-hour charts. Okay, 4-hour charts. Every candle represents 4 hours. So here's our retracements here. Usually textbook style here, traders will get into the 61.8, 42.52. Also in alignment, this is our 50 double exponential moving average here. So we'll see how we go. But again, choppiness here. This is a 4-hour chart. Same thing with the higher end times. So we've been struggling here, as you can see here, meaning on our 5-minute charts, you see how wacky price action is, especially for NQ. NQ is a runner here. So, I mean, you can be $1,000 in profit and back negative $1,000. So again, a lot of our traders are taking in profit here. It depends on how experienced you are and what your risk level is here. Okay. So that is our retracement level for ES on the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look here at NQ 4-hour chart. Okay, NQ is a runner here, so 61.8. Take a look at our previous resistance up in here. Okay, so that's where we're looking for price action to give us lower highs. I do not believe a low is in just yet, according to our weekly charts, but again, doesn't mean that we can't have a rally day. 100 points on ES and 600 points to the upside on NQ, just because the legs are so long here. All right, so those were the 4-hour charts here, traders. 15-minute charts, fresh potential buyers here. Let's take a look here. This should create a surge if this should go here. Take a look at how we're struggling though. Okay, buyers here at 80.50. Okay, that's 13,480.50. So this is a 15-minute chart, how our patterns are traded at Alpha E for the blueprints here. We need a close to confirm this, and then we should get a surge to the upside. However, though, we always have to pay attention to previous resistance and support depending upon which way we're going here. So again, here, usually when we have a lot of order flow here, it takes a minute for a surge. This should create, looking at volume. However, so target one here, traders, 37.60.25. So we'll see how this goes here. So again, very important to know your time frames, especially if you're new to trading. Can confuse you again because today here, this morning, we have been going to the opposite side as our overall corrective patterns, as you can see here. Okay, so that is the 15-minute chart on NQ. ES here, we're just now getting to our target 3 on our blueprint service here that we provide here, okay, at 41.90. All right here, so given worldwide events here, our technicals are still pretty spot on here. So the takeaway, traders, is to pay attention to those weekly charts and to see how we close on Friday. So with that being said, hopefully you've been profitable. It has certainly been wacky. I've been very busy, so to speak. By the end of the day, 5 p.m., it's a blur. So if you are new to trading, certainly check out our service here. Our blueprints are designed to keep you on the right side of the trade, especially with this choppiness, a lot of risk here. And with that being said here, traders, we'll be back and to keep an eye on those weekly charts to see how we close. Very important because those are important levels. All right, traders, have an amazing rest of your day. Hopefully you're able to catch a few trades here and there.